Hey beauties, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, today I am rocking some straight hair. Yes, I am. I don't know what's going on, but it's like your girl wants to be rocking some straight hair lately, so I'm here for it. But oh, I look like a little Indian, right? Anywho, the reason why I said that is because Beauty Forever Hair contacted me and they wanted to know if I would try their hair, and I was like, okay, because I've tried many companies before and I really wanted to get my hands on some Beauty Forever hair because you hear it all over YouTube. I mean, it's literally all over YouTube, and I was like, okay, if I don't get my hands on some of this Beauty Forever hair, I would never know what it's like, so I had to. So what I did was order from them, and I'm going to put my hands over this. It comes in a box like this. Whenever I receive boxes like this, y'all, I'll be like, oh, so professional, so make you feel like so beautiful. But anyway, let me get into the video. Okay, so this hair right here is the Indian straight hair, and this will be my first time getting some Indian straight hair, so I'm super duper excited. So they come in the box, and once you open the box, you get this right here. Thumbnail. You get this right here. Okay, so first off, they sent me some lashes, which these are really small, but guess what? I will rock them. Yes, I will rock them. So thank you, Beauty Forever hair. So I received a 16-inch, a 18, is this an 18? A 20-inch, a 18-inch, and I also received a 14-inch closure. Okay, they have it. Where's the, oh, please be careful when you take this out because you don't want to tear the closure. This hair is like, it smells like one of them little Barbie dolls, and this hair is like super soft, so I really like that. This is how the closure looks right here. Pretty good, huh? So I really like this closure. So let's go ahead on and get into, what is this? Maybe the 16-inch. Where's my 16-inch? Okay, this right here would be a 16-inch. So they come with the little rubber bands on it. Y'all, I'm super excited. It's like before Christmas, and I'm like, yes, I got me some Christmas hair. I got me some Christmas hair. So this is, oh, and it's like it clings to you, like I have static in it, but it's so soft. This is what the 16-inch bundles look like, and y'all know I'm going to get up close and personal, baby. See this. It's pretty fat here. Let's check the beardings. The beardings would be like if you see some hair that's around here, I always tell you guys. So, oh my goodness, the beardings look pretty good. This hair is just, oh, do you see it? Honey, I cannot wait to install this hair. I cannot wait. This is the 16-inch, and the color is like a natural brown, but what oh, it's so soft, y'all. I'm telling you, oh my goodness, this hair is softer than any hair that I have had before. Maybe because it's the Indian texture, and I'm super excited, but I'm telling you, it still feels soft. So the next one is going to be the 18, and these are really true to the length, guys. You hear me? It's true to the length for real. So yes, honey, yes. Okay, so this right here is the 18, and if I was to put that, like, even if I was to put it up there, it still would reach me like down here. So that's like, this is like really true to the length. 18 right here, and this is what the bundles look on the 18. So they pretty fat, y'all. They pretty fat. So let's get into this 20-inch, which this 20-inch really looks like it's like maybe a 22, even a 24 to me. Look at that. That is the 20-inch. That is really long. Do you see this? The ends are, they're not as thick, but it's still good enough once you put them all together. And this, like if I was to put it up here, it reached me past my boobs all the way down here. So this is, I'm telling you, it's pretty long, guys, pretty long. So this is how the bundles look on the 20-inch. Pretty fat. So we have the 18-inch and the 20-inch, and we have the 16-inch. So this is what your bundles will look like, and Oh, it's so soft. It is just so soft. I never had Indian hair before, so I'm super excited. So what I did was went to my local beauty hair store, guys, and I'm going to actually, I'm going to make a wig. So I don't know which one of these wig caps I'm going to use, but I'm going to use one of these caps right here to make my wig. And I'm also going to use the Kiss Colors Temptation to be, and this is in jet black, to be able to color them black. I'm going to actually watercolor them. Now, hopefully I can be able to show you ladies when I watercolor it, because I really just want to get this hair in my head, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at this hair that I have, and I'm rocking straight. So I was like, naturally, because I like straight now, I think I want to order straight. So I think that I really did a good job in ordering this, because this hair is like, now I'm going to tell you, my hair is soft, but this hair is like super duper soft. Super duper soft. So I will put all of the links in the description bar and where you can purchase this hair. This is an unboxing, and I probably put the unboxing and the final review of it at right back to back. So you may get 2 videos. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm gonna tell you, whenever I see some hair that is super soft like this, I'm gonna play with it. I'll probably play with this all night long until I'm ready to do the video and co-wash this hair and color this hair and all that. But this hair is like really soft. But everything will be in the description bar, ladies, on how you can purchase this beautiful, beautiful hair. Yes, this is not a sponsored video. So I just had this hair since I think Saturday, since Saturday just passed. So today is actually Wednesday, so I've had it for a little bit, and I've been playing in it and everything, and can't wait to install it. So yeah, I want y'all to see everything. That's why I keep doing this. I want you to see it, ladies. See what you're getting, honey. See what you're getting. So look how bouncy it is. Yes, baby, I'm here for it. So check the links, y'all. I will put all the links down to other hair that she do have. She have other hair that you can purchase. I think it's Brazilian body wave. I saw deep wave. I saw a lot of even just regular straight, but this is Indian, so I wanted the Indian hair. I wanted the Indian hair. Who would not want the damn Indian hair? I want the Indian hair. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here so I can be able to start the process in doing this hair. And I just wanted to do an unboxing so you can see it. Y'all, I just can't stop. I just can't stop. The shedding, I'm not getting anything, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm enjoying it. I've been doing this since Saturday, you know, and I haven't been getting anything, and I'm rough. But y'all know, if I get something, hell, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you if it's not good hair. Believe that. You could depend on your girl right here. But y'all get your hands on this hair. Look at this. Ah, yes. All right, ladies, this is your girl, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. This is your girl, baby. This is your girl, J Baby. Y'all know, like J Baby always says. J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.